On June 30th, 2025, as an attorney and South Maui resident, I submitted an ethics complaint against Maui County Councilman Tom Cook with the Maui Board of Ethics. The Ethics Board will consider this complaint at their meeting on August 13th at 12:30 p.m. To support this complaint, please sign the petition at mauipunonetwork.org and please submit written testimony, testify in person, and/or testify online. As the member of the Maui County Council, Mr. Cook now receives an annual salary of over $100,000. Shortly after he was elected to the County Council, Mr. Cook began receiving an annual salary of $96,000, working as a consultant for LC Hauling, an excavation, grading, and trenching company. Besides using his political position to attract business to the company he works for and voting in favor of every development project which comes before the council, what specifically does Mr. Cook do as a consultant for LC Hauling? I don't know, but I do know, in my legal opinion, Mr. Cook must immediately recuse himself from all matters regarding any real estate development projects which anywhere in Maui which come before the Maui County Council. He also should be removed as the chairman of the Water and Infrastructure Committee. This is absolutely legally necessary. If the Board of Ethics investigation finds actual violations of the ethics law, Mr. Cook must be required to resign from the Maui County Council. The Maui County Charter prohibits Mr. Cook from having a financial interest which may tend to impair his independence of judgment in the performance of his official duties. Hawaii Revised Statute states that no public official shall take any official action directly affecting a business or undertaking in which they have a substantial financial interest. By statutory definition, and as a matter of law, as a well-paid consultant for a construction company, Mr. Cook undeniably has a significant financial interest in LC Hauling. The relevant legal principles governing conflicts of interest for public officials are aimed at ensuring that public officials maintain absolute loyalty and undivided allegiance to the public interest, free from any and all personal financial influences that might affect their official duties. The case law is clear and consistent. Courts have held that a public official's judgment cannot be trusted if they are pulled in one direction by their financial interests and in another direction by their official duties. Other courts have noted that a public official's financial interest is not considered remote if it directly affects their pocketbook and is related to their official duties. The conflict of interest statutes are based upon the truism that a person cannot serve two masters simultaneously. This is regarded as a self-evident truth, as trite and as impregnable as the law of gravity. Courts have held this principle to be absolute for over 100 years. Consequently, our conflict of interest statutes are concerned with what might have happened rather than merely what actually happened. They are aimed at eliminating temptation, avoiding the appearance of impropriety, and assuring the government of the officers' undivided and uncompromised allegiance. Their objective is to remove or limit the possibility of any personal influence, either directly or indirectly, which might bear on an official's decision. These principles of fact and law undeniably apply to Mr. Cook. Whether or not Mr. Cook has actually voted improperly as a council member is irrelevant. So for all of the reasons that I've stated in my complaint, which is available on the mauipunonetwork.org website, and for the reasons I've stated in this video, I have asked the Board of Ethics to start a formal investigation of Tom Cook. I'm asking the Maui Board of Ethics to issue a preliminary order which requires Tom Cook to recuse himself from voting in favor of any issue which impacts or affects any real estate development project on Maui in any way. And until the Maui Board of Ethics has completed its investigation, he has to recuse himself from everything. And after the Maui Board of Ethics issues a formal opinion, then we'll see what happens. But please, please, please visit mauipunonetwork.org and sign the petition supporting the ethics inquiry regarding Tom Cook. Please testify in person or online on August 13th at 12:30 p.m. or send in written testimony. Please let your voice be heard. Thank you.